In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on documents in Monday.com fast and easy. Collaborating on documents can often be a daunting task, especially when trying to coordinate with team members across different locations or schedules. Monday.com streamlines this process, making collaboration not just simpler, but incredibly efficient. Let's explore how you can make the most of these tools. First, open a Workdoc in Monday.com. If you're not familiar with what a Workdoc is, think of it as your digital workspace where you and your teammates can create, share, and refine content collectively. Opening a Workdoc is straightforward. Simply log into your Monday.com account, navigate to the toolbar, and select Workdocs. This is where your project begins to take shape, as it's your central hub for all the documents you and your team will be working on. The beauty of Monday.com lies in its collaborative features. One of the key functions is the ability to tag your teammates directly in the document using @mentions. Once you've opened your Workdoc, navigate to the section where you want a teammate's input and type followed by their name. This instantly notifies them, bringing their attention to the exact part of the document that requires their feedback or expertise. Using @mentions helps ensure that communication is both direct and contextual, saving time and avoiding the endless back-and-forth emails. Next, feel free to add comments and edits in real time. One of the standout features of Monday.com's Workdocs is this real-time editing capability. As you type or make changes, your teammates can simultaneously view and contribute their insights. This synchronous editing environment fosters quick turnaround times and keeps all collaborators on the same page, ensuring that everyone is actively contributing to the document's development. One might wonder how these frequent updates are managed without resulting in a chaotic document environment. Monday.com has you covered with its automatic save feature. Every change made by you or your teammates is saved instantaneously, ensuring that no information is lost. This feature offers peace of mind and allows you to focus more on the quality of the collaboration, rather than worrying about constantly hitting the save button. To sum up, by opening a Workdoc, utilizing @mentions to tag teammates, engaging in real-time commenting and editing, and benefiting from automatic saves, you have a robust method for document collaboration at your fingertips. Whether you're drafting a report, brainstorming ideas, or refining a project proposal, these steps make the process not only seamless, but also enjoyable. Dive into your Monday.com Workdoc today and experience the ease and efficiency of effective collaboration. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.